an involuntary groan as he died 3 times, once each with 2 small birds roosting in a nearby juniper, and also with a snake hidden among the rocks. Across from him, Roran threw back his head and bared his teeth in a soundless howl as his shoulder muscle jumped.
Spikes every Friday.
The easiest way to tackle this is just with the number of people trying to figure out how to get to their floor, because our fobs are specific to your floor, so there's always people asking, hey, how do I get to my Airbnb?
Second flippin' checkpoint. Let's go. Checkpoint City is a beautiful city, my friends. Where'd my key go? Piece of shit, dude. Where'd my key go? Where'd my flippin' key go? Oh, there it is. I couldn't see it behind the timer of the level.
Largest gig speed network, so you can get the bandwidth you need to power all your connected devices at the same time.
Record video.
That would be so productive.
It's time.
You idiot!
Oh. Holy shit. Please tell me I was recording.
What we saw the first month was, you know, a flash that wasn't true. And then I think some ways the reaction beyond when he went from super hot to ice frigid cold, the truth lies somewhere in between.
Yeah, okay. I agree with that. But you have to let him work through it. But at the same time, you don't want to put any undue pressure.
The Winnie the Pooh, the Bamboloni, here's the thing, she asks, is it normal for a guy to do? The problem here is the relationship, not the sexual approach. And to me, like, you're just dishes. He comes up and you know, there's a version of this at top.
Yeah,
you're doing the dishes, you're saying sudsy. Right behind you. Come behind you, grab your waist.
What did I do?
Exposes how Georgia fails to protect senior citizens and how their families have no way of knowing what's really going on. We're taking a look at the assisted living.
I'm pretty sure
That's a cop, and he's getting pulled over.
You don't see that very often.
Read our investigation.
And stop.
Look at that. Shit. It's just a fucking idiot. This one not under control, man. Shit. Fucking idiot, I know.
By the Reagans and the Thatchers of an earlier generation.
Yeah, I mean, I agree that the term is often now used as an epithet by people further on the left, and that's not only to kind of smear folks on the center left who they disagree with, but also I think because they genuinely don't see a huge difference between someone like Blair or Obama and Thatcher.